Bangalore, the garden city of India, is known for its cultural diversity and architecture. The city attracts thousands every year with its opportunities and quality life. Commercial, like the KR Market, Majestic, and Chickpet, are a testament to the city's thriving spirit. But the large and diverse demographic brings with it its own challenges to the city's livable spaces. As architects and designers, how do we create healthy, memorable, and exciting living spaces in this old city of Bangalore? Sometime in mid 2019, our client Yashwant approached us for a building in a tiny plot of 24 feet width by 16 feet depth at the heart of Kabbanpet, Bangalore. The requirement was to create a mixed-use typology building with commercial units along the first 2 stories and a residential duplex over the same footprint. The client suggested that a narrow 8 feet wide approach road in this old city centre would not provide any opportunity for parking. We applied the theory of path and domain as a design strategy. The external staircase from the open streets connects the commercial unit at the first floor and the home at the second floor, where it converts into an internal staircase for the duplex. As a row house, our landlocked building has a front facade that provides proper light and ventilation, acts as rain and sunshade, reduces solar heat gain, and provides privacy. The neighborhood was once home to one of India's largest handloom industries. Over time, technological advancements replaced handlooms with power looms. Our beloved client hails from a family of weavers and retains childhood memories of their traditional weaving systems. With an intent of preserving this scale, we identified an opportunity to recreate the facade as a memory of the rich history of weaving communities of Kabbanpet. Taking cues from traditional methodologies, we started to experiment with bricks, weaving them through metal rods to create a brick woven screen for the facade. After many iterations, we decided the best arrangement would be to weave the bricks in repeating rows of 3 along an axis at angles of 45, 90 and 135 degrees. The bricks were woven into 10 mm dia, 4 feet long MS Bright rods placed vertically at 200 mm center to center. The rods were threaded at 4 feet length with 16 mm hexagonal couplings to join 10 mm rods further vertically. Horizontal reinforced rods were welded at every 5th course of the brick weave screen to fix any lateral movement.